all you're doing is you're just looking for the C's here for the weight, yeah? So, and make sure it's equal, everything's equal. And then the other side too. So you're just shifting weight, because you're going to be doing this a lot with your characters, shifting weight, moving the feet, you know? So that's a really good exercise. This is a brilliant exercise to do. I couldn't recommend it more. And if you want to polish the scene up even more, you just get these vectors here. So bang, yeah. And you can move these vectors a bit. Normally you want these vectors to follow the feet, yeah? The direction, the knees should really be following where the feet are going, yeah? Because you don't want them in like this or out. The general rule is, I mean, obviously you can change that too. But just generally, you can go through each key and just check it out, see what's happening. Just see where the direction is, you know. Go to all your keys, maybe put a key here. As he lands, where's the key? Looks good there. And just bring it out like that. Same with this one, yeah. So you go back, and then you're just layering each animation. You're going next layer, checking it out. That seems fine. So if we look at that, yeah. So that feels like there's weight on it, and it feels good there, yeah. So that's what you do. Animation is also feeling, so it feels good. So practice, yeah. Practice. Keep going back. Keep practicing this exercise. Shift, weight shift, step, weight shift, step, weight shift, step, weight shift, step, yeah. Up, weight shift, step, weight shift, up, and then little weight shift, and then he settles back in, okay? So have fun with it and practice it a few times.